My dear brother, my dear sister, have you ever noticed how a funeral changes the very air around us? People drive slower. Voices drop to whispers. For a brief moment, the world remembers that life is fragile, and yet we often forget. But maybe you felt it. That quiet tug inside your heart. The awareness that your own chapter is turning its final pages. It can be frightening, and yet it is a mercy, for awareness is a gift that helps the heart prepare. Tonight, let us sit together calmly and reflect on 7 gentle signs that a believer may be approaching the end of this worldly journey. These are not a verdict, but lanterns on the road, reminders to return to Allah before the last breath leaves the lips. Sign 1. Sudden softness of heart. Have you ever felt a verse of the Quran land in your chest, even after hearing it 100 times? A baby's smile, the breeze on your face, or the distant call to prayer moves you, and your heart feels soft, almost broken in the best way. This is mercy, a gift from Allah reminding your soul of what it was created for. When your heart awakens like this, run to Allah. Let this softness guide you before the final return. Sign 2. A powerful pull towards Salah. There comes a time when prayer is no longer a routine but a longing. You rise for Fajr without struggle. Sujud feels like home, like peace pouring into your soul. The Prophet said, "The closest a servant is to his Lord is in sujud." If your heart feels this pull, it is a private call from Allah, preparing you for your final meeting. Sign 3. Loss of interest in empty talk. You may find yourself sitting among people, hearing the same jokes, gossip, and chatter, but it feels meaningless. Your heart aches for something deeper, something eternal. This is not arrogance. This is the soul whispering, focus on what truly matters. Let your speech reflect the purity of your heart. Sign 4. An urgent need to seek forgiveness. Memories of wrongs, unpaid debts, or hurtful words suddenly weigh heavily on your heart. You feel a restlessness urging you to make things right. This is mercy from Allah giving you the chance to lighten your soul. Reach out, apologize, forgive. Settle what can be settled while there is still time. Sign 5. Rekindling broken family ties. You begin to think of estranged family members, not with anger but with a longing to reconnect. The heart softens, pride fades, and you feel called to heal broken bonds. Allah teaches us that maintaining family ties is a path to His mercy, and this is your moment to act. Sign 6. Frequent encounters with death reminders. You notice funerals, news of passing, or even dreams about graves. Each reminder gently asks, are your prayers complete? Are your deeds ready? These are soft nudges from Allah to prepare your heart before the final departure. Let them guide you, not frighten you. Sign 7. A quiet contentment with meeting Allah. Finally, there comes a calm stillness, a gentle readiness to meet Allah. Life is still beautiful, but your heart feels lighter, prepared. Praise, charity, prayer, all become effortless acts of devotion. You realize in every smile, every dua, every kind act that you are stepping closer to your ultimate journey. My beloved listener, if you recognize even one of these signs in yourself, do not ignore it. Pray sincerely, give quietly, forgive generously, and reconnect with your loved ones. Let your heart prepare for the journey ahead. And when the angel of death comes, may he find you smiling, your heart full of Quran and trust filling every corner of your soul. May Allah grant us all a beautiful life, a peaceful death, and a reunion in the gardens beneath which rivers flow. Ameen.